Hey guys, gonna shoot a recap real quick for y'all. Let me get back to normal time frame first of all. Go wait for a look at the whole play. Is gonna definitely be a 5 minute. If you're gonna scalp and do other things, you definitely want to do other trades. We're gonna look at the pre-market. I'm pretty sure it's just Wizzo Invo from pre. Looked really, really good. You'll see a beautiful ascending wedge right here at this given area right here. So that was my first one right here, and it broke here, went there, target 1 and 2 right before the open, pulled back, rebounded, flatlined here really well. Got in right here about 211, should have been 209, but no big deal. Got in right out here, out, waited for it to base, got in right here one more time, went up, very good. And then Wizza was good if you got all the pre-market moves. So now that you look at a 5 minute, you see exactly what you're supposed to be seeing. Here's the run up. I think Lori got a good killer move on that. I only got some of that. Obviously you see it now, but if you're in the trade with a lot of shares, you're not holding as long as some others. So right here is going to be my first drawing right here. And basically it hit target 1 and target 2. In pre, and that's why I was just waiting for it to base down, break VWAP again, and it went back up. And then at the open, just trailed down. I got this target 1 because that's there, and I'd probably taken this trade if I was currently on it right here, because that's the exact same area right here that it busted out of. That's like a very known common thing for me to see. It bounced out, broke this candle right here on the 5. Anything else really hasn't busted except these right here, and they really didn't break the range of that. But this one did break it, and it could go back here. We got some traffic, but that's where the party started this morning. So people that just drove this up, people start taking profit that maybe had this yesterday because it wasn't as high as yesterday. So people waking up taking profit. That's all that's saying. And then yes, it's rebounding right here. That would have been a good trade at the 7-11 spot. And then we're going to go to 1 day. And the 1 day here is, didn't know I had my camera down. Edible Psycho. Beautiful. Everything you want out of a trade. So right here, yes, it did go up right here in pre, and then it stabilized, then broke out of here. Basically, it did really good right when it got here. The funny thing is sometimes it jumps over the pre-market high. So if you're waiting patiently for the pre-market high, but the trick is it did come grab, went up, grabbed again. So you had 2 chances to get in this trade, and then it stabilized here and ran one more time. And then Invo, again, baller moves. You'll see it just slowly grinding in this channel. I'll go ahead and add some trend lines for you. And we'll see if it can break trend pretty soon. You'll see that whole channel right there. And basically, if you're just getting these moves, move 1, move 2, 3, 4. And then here's your same moves right here, but really just stayed in that channel, which is kind of crazy that money does that. But all good. Edible one more time. I'll win. Okay. This must be a low float. Yes, 650 shares. So I saw it come up. Didn't think much of it because I guess, yeah, the shares weren't that high. 35,000. But now people are putting in some shares at a lot larger size, and now it's back to, very small again. So usually the last move, you'll see this one, and the very last move is definitely the retail traders, but here is definitely ascending wedge right here, and if I had to draw it, that's probably going to be target 1 right there. So that would have been your move. So hopefully you all did well today, and if not, it really just comes down to timing. CXAI, got another move on that one as well. So pretty hot market today. They got a pop at the start from the high right here. That was the nearest high, going basically just testing, and went a little bit more. Came right back down to the bounce right here at the 450, 456 area, bounced, reclaimed, and went back up. So if you miss a trade, just let it rebound and see if traders are still trading it at a high enough speed. Look at it right now, dead slow. So people are still probably looking at Invo to trade. Look how crazy this is going, whether it's moving back up or not. And Edible, yeah, it's slowed down already. when, yep, because everybody's back in this one or looking at this is going to make a move. So when you're looking at a move like this, you definitely want to have some kind of pullback before you get in, because if you get in as soon as it opens, at least let it prove itself. It does have very low shares, so that's all beautiful. So keep your eyes on that one. Doesn't mean trade it immediately. And then I think spec, yeah, it's looking up. Pretty good traffic right here, and it's just breaking VWAP. So if I had to draw some fibs on it and tell you where it's going to go, I would come here. I'm out of money, so I can't trade anymore. So I'm going to do the pre right here, and I would just say $1.06. It'll happen from the breakout of the dollar area. So if we're going to go VWAP right here, spec on a 5 minute, obviously this is still happening on a 1 minute. So let's look at it. It blows out the speed right here, but good easy trade right to the hopefully the 106 area that we're looking at it right here and looking at. I wish I could have taken that trade, but all good, because usually that's a test and then it comes here and tests one more time. So yeah, 105, that's good enough. If it goes more, great for it, but you're basically seeing the buyers on the bottom side making higher lows the whole time. So that kind of shows you what you're doing all the time. So if it goes a little bit more, great. If not, let's take one more look at Invo. No, okay, so it could rebound here shortly. Hey, y'all have a great day. If you need any one-on-one help, I am available. Thank you.